for $16. Not bad. I think I'm gonna try a different shape today. I usually draw my eyebrows like in a curved. I'm gonna try a V. Let's see how I look with a V. So the whole thing about eyebrow is that, you know, because you're gonna clean it up, it really doesn't matter how you draw it or how messy you draw it, because you're going to clean it up anyway. Wet n Wild medium deep tan concealer. Now I'm going to use my Morphe M124 to clean it up. I'm gonna go in with this MAC NC30, which is a little bit light. I'm gonna use that underneath my brow bone. I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. This is a look that just happened to evolve out of some products I found at Gabe's and Target. And I got so excited to grab them. I spent about maybe $23, $28 on them. And then I came and tried them, and this is basically what I got. And using the side of the brush, I just use that to kind of guide me to draw my brow, you know, to clean the top. I bought this Beauty Treats HD Translucent Setting Powder. So I'm going to be trying that today. What I'm going to do first is just buff it over my brow bone to set the concealer there, because I don't want that concealer to hold the shadow too much. I want it to move pretty easy. I'm going to go in with this color called Amber, and using a Morphe M441, I'm going to buff this into my transition area, into my inner eye. That's going to be my transition shade. Because I have hooded eyes, I have to travel it a little higher. This color, which is called Courage, it's kind of like a tan color. I'm going to sweep that over the top. I'm going to go back with the brush with my transition color, and I'm just going to blend it out here with no more products, just blending it. Next, I'm going to go in with this. It's called Champ, and I'm going to apply that to my crease, above my crease, without covering up my transition color. Right up here. If you don't have a hooded lid, you will draw your crease in your crease. Because I have a hooded lid, I have to travel my crease line a little higher. And then I will blend it into the line right here, back into my natural crease line. I have created a crease up here. Make sense? Keep watching. I'm going to lift up my eyes so I can actually get the crease line as well. And I'm just going to blend just the top of the line so it's nice and blended. I think I'm going to need a little more product to help me blend it in. Now, because the palette doesn't come with a true black, that's like almost grayish. Because it doesn't come with a true black, I'm going to go into this Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 3502. And I'm going to use this black for just the outer corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with this NYX pencil, white pencil, and I'm going to just put it around my lid because the color I'm about to use, I want to really pop. I'm going to spray this brush with a little bit of water so you can pick up the color good. Okay, so over that, I'm going to apply the glitter. And I think for the inner corner of my eye, I am going to take this color called Charm, just to brighten that side a little bit. Okay guys, I'm going to apply my foundation and then I'll be back. Now, you know, looking at this eye, I'm like, I need a little glitter. So I went and took my NYX body liner. I have this glitter that I've had forever. It was a sample glitter that a friend of mine gave me years ago. And this is basically how it looks. Woo! That's how it looks. It's very, very pretty. So I'm going to take the NYX glitter gel and I'm just going to go in here and put a little bit on my eye. I hope I don't ruin this look. I just need a little sparkle. I think that did it, honey. Keep watching. It's glitter on my face. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick a little bit more of this and go into my brow bone. For the lips, I'm going to use that lip liner. This is really nice. It's so smooth. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with the dark shade on the outer part of my lips. And then I'm gonna take the fuchsia. I have this thing. I don't know what to do with it. Ooh. You can't tell me none, honey. So this here is a Incredible You Glow Girl. It is an iridescent jelly-like thing. And I basically just put it on my lips. It does that shimmer. Ha, you know I'm going overboard with it. I'm putting the glitter on my eye, on my lips. I love bling bling, baby. Okay, now I'm just gonna set my face with this Avon True color. It's my first time trying it. Let's see. The setting spray, I don't know. It feels tight on my face. I don't like that feeling. Oh, how could I forget? Highlighter. We gotta bling some more. We gotta bling. Bling bling, baby. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Hustler Baby. If you like to see any more of my videos, click up here or up here. One of them. Click to subscribe, click my picture to subscribe, and click the other picture to watch my other video. If you like to see more of such videos, go ahead and subscribe.